Can I help you?
Yes, come out already.
Oh, what do you want to do?
Maybe out here.
Okay, now what?
Now you're gonna help the garden.
Oh, you want to work on the garden, huh?
Yes.
Fantastic. Look at these gorgeous blackberries. Oh, yes. Right off the vine. And they don't just look good. Trust me. They taste good. Oh. So, 50 feet of blackberries. Just hanging out. And I'm not the only one that likes them. I mean, the birds really competed for a couple days there, eating our blackberries. To the point that they were pulling them off the vine, chucking them onto my wall right here, and picking out the little berries and eating them to pieces and leaving little seeds on the wall to stain the wall. Not cool, birds. Anyway, so we went yesterday and picked a bunch of blackberries so we would have less of a mess. And what did we do with all the berries since we picked them all at once? Well, it's harvest time.
First one.
First harvest of our blackberries. They're delicious. Some of these babies are huge.
I know, look at it compared to my thumb.
Love this.
There's a few of the biggest ones right
And
here.
some of them are so delicious.
Daddy, this is ready. This one is ready.
Oh, honey, that is looking good. Why don't you eat it and show me if it's good? Yeah, it's good.
This one is a tiny bit sour, and it's good.
That one might have been a day early then. But you still ate it. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yes, it is. That was the first harvest of my blackberries. And there are there's going to be another round of it. Just give it a couple more days and maybe a week or so, and I'll have more. So if you haven't grown any blackberries, they are good. Do it, because I'm doing it right here in the desert and it's working out just fine.
I know, look at it compared to my thumb.
Love this.
There's a few of the biggest ones right
And
here.
some of them are so delicious.